This is the kitchen after 47 days. There's a kitty door on the right. So I'm going to finish the flooring and build a 3-sided wooden cabinet type thing to cover up that mess. Then this wall I have stripped and primed. So my next step will be to do the finishing the corners, the mud on this ceiling to wall and down the seam and catch all the seams. And then I've started on this wall. Same thing, it's just a prime. I had to leave this piece on because this electricity is, I'm not gonna fool with it. I guess there it is. And I'm not sure if I'm keeping the stove. It takes up a lot of space. So I'm gonna go watch a video on how to handle this archway. They put that stuff on this wall. No, on the wall, this is adjacent up to here. And then they put tape, I stripped off. But here, bulky, they put it right over top of this, whatever this linoleum type stuff is. So this whole wall is still to be done, and I'm not sure if this cupboard is going to stay in here or not. It sure would be nice to have a washer and dryer combination in that corner and a dishwasher over here. The water is not a problem. I can figure that out. It almost might be better to put if I'm going to put in a portable washer and dryer, to put it right here with the dishwasher and the sink, so that I've got the water line, the plumb all together. I'm just not sure how much electricity it would use. So in the meantime, this cupboard, I don't know. I mean, it's a good size, but it's dark and difficult to get to. My little notes, reminder to go with the store. This is just sitting there for a minute. Not sure what I'm gonna do about that. And the door, yeah, could probably use a fresh paint job. I got a little kitty door down there, but it's covered up right now to keep out the cold air from the winter. So next time I go to work, it's mud and paint, mud and tape.